Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafty Magic December. Today I would like to share with you how to make a perfect bow easiest way. Here I have some pipe cleaners. You can choose color to match your ribbon, or you might want to match your Christmas trees. Also, elastic like this works as well. This is my ribbon, about 4 cm wide and wired edges, but this will work with any size ribbons or any size bows. After you cut your ribbon to desired size, cross your ribbon like this and fold like this, and the loop goes sit on top, and give a pinch, then secure with the pipe cleaner. Give a twist like that, all you gotta do now is fluffing up and trim the tails. You can trim your tails however you want, diagonal like that or V-shape like that. If you'd like to have double bows, process is the same. If your ribbon is very wide, you can scrunch them instead of folding. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you can subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. I will see you on my next video. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays everyone!